Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 12th of May, Wednesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time and the best trade of the day. Today we had an amazing volatility, guys. We banked beautiful pips, and let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis, updates, reviews, feel free to subscribe my channel. Just to recap, traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade and help my traders in real time, feel free to watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Euro USD. If you look at the 4-hour chart, guys, as I mentioned in my analysis, if the price going to break this level, then we're going to be taking a long, or if the price going to break the previous low, then we're going to be taking a pullback short trade here. If you haven't seen that analysis review, link is given in the video description. So as you can see, price nicely broken. We had an amazing short trades. Whole day we were short, and price nicely hit to the profit target. So we banked beautiful pips on Euro USD. All right, so let me share with you the intraday. As you can see here, such a nice rally. Let me share with you the analysis, all the intraday analysis based on the 4-hour price action. Okay, guys, so you can see the first analysis we did here. This was the analysis yesterday, as just before the recording the video, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see, in 4-hour we were looking this breakout, and price nicely broken based on this intraday analysis. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, we announced to bank some profit, and then afterwards explain to trader, look for another pullback at this level. As you can see here in my analysis, this is the analysis in London morning session. So what happened after that? Price nicely pulled back and price broken the previous low. As soon as the price hit 100 EMA in 4-hour chart, you can see here, this is the support level, very strong support level, 100 EMA. As soon as the price hit this level, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had such a beautiful short trades in Euro USD, and after this news, because we were waiting for the news for the dollar CPI news, as you can see here, the news was good for the dollar. And if you look at here this candle, you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA, we have seen some sort of rejection. And technically we don't trade the news, we just wait for the news after the 10, 15, 20 minutes or maximum half an hour. So you can see this is the news reaction, and as soon as the price basically, yeah, this is the news reaction, you can see here, and we wait for the news. As you can see, I'd explain to trader, look, if the price is going to hit this level and is going to respect, then we come, because the news was good for the dollar. And if you look at here, the euro was going against the dollar, and that's give us the good sign that the technically price might gonna hit this level and then is going to reverse. So we need a technical valid entry, and that's why we did this triangle pattern. As you can see here, as soon as the price broke on the previous low, we explained to trader, take a short trade, and you can see here the first target hit, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for another pullback. As you can see, we did another analysis straight away, and as soon as the price basically hit this level, as you can see here, look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. We had another beautiful pullback, price nicely hit to the another target. So we had this breakout, bank some profit, look for another pullback. As you can see, every single trade we did analysis to explain to trader, look here, you can see this is breakout, this is the pullback, and this is the result. And you can see here, nicely price nicely hit to the 4 hours. So we had a beautiful pips on Euro USD based on the 4-hour. As you can see here, we refine our entries and exit in intraday and bank beautiful pips on Euro USD today. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, if you look at 4-hour, As I mentioned yesterday, if the price gonna break this previous high long or the previous low short here, and I explained my traders through today that more likely price might going to develop head and shoulder pattern. You can see here we had a beautiful short trade, banked beautiful pips. Afterwards we had price nicely hit this level. We had another beautiful pullback short trade here. So you can see from here to here how many trades we have taken it and banked beautiful pips. In intraday you can see a beautiful short trade. In intraday system you can see such a beautiful rally. And if I show you the intraday analysis, let me share with you guys the whole analysis, because we're watching 4 hour what's happening here. And if you look at here this morning, this morning we had this analysis. We were expecting, that's what we explained in more details to all of my traders. So we're expecting here pullback short here at this level, and explain if the price gonna break, then long here, because we're watching the price might gonna break this level. As you can see, price did not any red candle, and if you look at here, price came up, hit the orange EMA and reverse, and even here, and then retest. We give all these small details to our traders. We take a long trade here, which technically came out at the break even. That's part of the game. Then afterwards, trader was expecting am I gonna shoot. I said no, let's wait, let the price wait, develop another pattern. That's what we're going to do. And afterwards, then I explained to my trader, look here, the price is respected this level. So if the price is gonna break this level, then we're gonna be considering taking a short trade here. Or if the price gonna break the previous high, then we're gonna be taking a long trade here. So that's what we decided. And you can see here, price keep respecting it, and afterwards the price broken. Beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the first target, we bank some profit, and that's basically inside the Bollinger Band, which is technically 20 EMA or 21 EMA. So bank some beautiful pips, and then afterwards we explain to trader, let's wait for the news to be released, and afterwards we'll see how the market is going to react. And after that, basically we had such a beautiful news release, and the news was good for the dollar. But as you can see, the pound was going against the dollar. As you can see here, that gives us the good significant information. The price might gonna hit this level and then reverse, because we want to follow the fundamental. And that's what happened afterwards. When the price came this level, then we draw this line, explain to trader, if the price gonna break this level, then we're gonna be keep taking a long. Otherwise, if the price gonna break this wedge, then we're gonna be taking a short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely respected at this resistance, and price broken. And as soon as the price hit to the previous level, support level, we explain to trader it's time to consider bank some pips and look for another pullback, because every level we basically explain to traders and bank some profit, because every fib channel is our first target. Price nicely hit to the first target, bank few pips and look for another pullback here, and which explain here. You can see here we had this breakout, bank some profit and look for another pullback here. As you can see here, price nicely behave according to those intraday analysis. Beautiful pullback. The most important thing is, if you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, and look at this price broken this sideways market and sort of developing head and shoulder pattern that give us the confirmation. So we took this short trade here. As soon as the momentum developed, we were following the fundamental, and technical was also helping us, because the price broke on the previous low. And then we explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback short here. So we have 1, 2, 3. As soon as the price hit this level, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. You can see here we had such an amazing, beautiful short trade here. Sometime trader explain more details, so I also give them more information, basically updating those analyses. You can see here at the bottom analysis, I explained to my trader, because it's all about emotional game. So I just updated this analysis, explained to traders, don't look at any trade until wait for the market to break this pattern, symmetric triangle pattern. As you can see here, price broken, Basically this is the same analysis but in different angle, which is we keep up to date helping those traders. As you can see, we had an amazing trade on pound dollar. So beautiful trade. So looks like tomorrow might gonna hit this level. This is the monthly support level. Let's see. And if you look at in 4 hour, we had a beautiful head and shoulder pattern is developed. It's look like a continuity. Again, possibility price might gonna hit this level and develop another pullback. As I said to you guys, we are intraday, so we look at the valid pattern and bank beautiful pips. Let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had interesting moves. Okay, you can see here from yesterday, if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, watch that review. We were looking this breakout, this sideways market breakout, right, today. And technically, we were waiting for the news to be released. And if you look, if I show you, let me share with you, you can see here, afterwards long trade. But if I show you the all intraday analysis of dollar CAD, we were waiting for the news, and you can see this is the news reaction. So after the news reaction, so we developed, I said to my traders, more likely news is good for the dollar, but the dollar CAD is going against the dollar. So I said, okay, let's see, but more or less sooner or later the technical is going to follow the fundamental, and for now we might going to squeeze few pips, which is price nicely broken, and we had a very short trade on dollar CAD. Afterwards the price developed reverse, and that's what I explained to my trader, because we were watching in EURUSD and pound dollar. We had the same reaction in opposite direction. So we explained to trader more likely price might going to reverse. And the most important thing which I explained to my trader, giving them two reasons. Number one reason was, if you look at here in 4 hour, and I said to my trader, if the price is going to develop a false breakout, that's the very good indication for reversal. And if we see any valid technical entry in intraday, that's going to give us the another. So you look at here, that's what I explained to my trader. You can see here, it's look like an inverted head and shoulder pattern, number one, and number two, symmetric triangle pattern. And that's what I draw a lines and said to my traders, look for this breakout. And if the price gonna break, then more likely it's gonna continue. We're gonna keep taking a pullback short here. If the price gonna break this level, then we're gonna keep taking a pullback long. As you can see here, afterwards the momentum is developed bullish. We have taken long and pullback long. Beautiful. You can see here another bull flag pattern develop. Beautiful long trade here, based on the 4 hour and based on the fundamental news. And that's what exactly we did. We managed beautiful pips. I believe some of the traders still holding it long and expecting price not to be hit this level. Let's see how it's gonna go. We'll let you know tomorrow. But as you can see, this is the way we do every single day and bank beautiful pips, guys. I hope you're enjoying it. All right, guys, so let me show you. You can see one of the traders still holding long on dollar CAD. If you look at here, this is the another breakout long trade here. And if you look at, he already banked 82 pips, so he just traded only the major pair, which is, I'm just giving you information. Dollar CAD, you can see 10 pips, 35 pips, 16 pips. Euro USD, all these trades you can see already banked 82 pips, still holding this trade at the break even. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all these analysis. If you would like to see all that analysis as I explaining to you guys in real time, and even if you don't have forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, my main objective is to train trader with a live market through live intraday analysis, so they can develop their trading skill in real time. And as well as if we see that they have developed their trading skill, producing good results, we can also open door for funding, and we can also raise trading funds. If you are interested to know how I train trader through live intraday analysis, feel free to book one-to-one consultation, which is completely free, and my availability link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, and as you've seen, this is purely price action and would like to bank pips alongside with my professional traders. So feel free to join my fast growing trader community. All right guys, just to let you know guys, tomorrow I'm not going to be doing analysis. Tomorrow we have some religious festival Eid, so I'll be celebrating with my family. So hopefully I will see you probably on Friday. Until next time guys, wish you all the best, stay safe and take care guys.